Welcome back, friends, to your favorite channel. For you, no matter how stubborn the stains on your teeth are, just use this method 3 times, and you'll see a surprising difference. Yes, friends, even if you regularly smoke, drink alcohol, or have unhealthy eating habits, this simple method will remove yellow stains and built-up dirt from your teeth completely. So watch this video attentively and learn how to prepare and use this natural remedy. Just 3 applications and you'll see your teeth transform. No more yellowish tint, just bright, shiny, pearl-like teeth. So let's dive in and learn how to make this powerful remedy. Small blue diamond. Step 1. Holy basil leaves, tulsi. The first ingredient we need is holy basil leaves. Tulsi is easily found in most households and is used in many herbal medicines. It not only helps remove yellow stains from teeth but is also excellent for eliminating bad breath. Take 5 tulsi leaves, chop them into small pieces, and place them in a clean bowl. The finer you chop the leaves, the better the results you'll get. Small blue diamond. Step 2. Lemon peel. Next, you'll need a lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze the juice into a glass of water. Then, take the lemon peel and grate or scrape the outer skin gently. Add the grated lemon peel into the same bowl with the tulsi leaves. Lemon is rich in citric acid, which helps to naturally whiten the teeth. Small blue diamond. Step 3. Baking soda. Now add a pinch of baking soda. Be very careful with the quantity, only a small amount is needed. Baking soda is known for its instant cleansing properties and is effective in removing the yellowish layer from teeth. But remember, do not overuse it. Step 4. Coconut oil. Finally, add a bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil is incredibly effective in removing plaque and cleansing the teeth naturally. It also nourishes your gums and promotes oral hygiene. Now take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and add it to the bowl. Once added, mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Stir the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes smooth and well combined. Now that your natural remedy is ready, let's see how to apply it to get visible results in just 3 uses. Small blue diamond. How to apply. Take a regular toothbrush, just like the one you use every day. Scoop up some of the paste and apply it to the brush. Now gently brush your teeth with this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you only brush your teeth, not your gums. After brushing, take the lemon water prepared earlier and rinse your mouth with it. Swish the water around your mouth for 30 to 40 seconds, and then rinse again with plain water to clean your teeth completely. Backhand index pointing right. Important note: use this remedy just once a week, and within only 3 applications, you'll see the yellowish stains, bad breath, and dirt completely disappear, leaving your teeth sparkling clean and your smile radiant. If you have any questions about this method, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. That's it for today, friends. We'll see you again with another amazing video. If you liked this small yet useful tip, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a beautiful day.